Hello and welcome to my channel. It's another time with Mr. Miracle. Today we'll be resolving the integral of this form, and there are various questions that looks like this. That is an integral of a function. So how do we resolve this? Arbitrarily in this way, we can say that the integral f, or let's rather start as it is. For you to resolve this, we can say let u be equal to ax plus b. So we equate the function to a different variable. So now we differentiate, that is the u, the x of this should be, this is a constant, so if we differentiate this we get 0. If we differentiate this with the coefficient, since it is x alone, it's going to give us a. So the answer is a. Therefore, the x, the u, is the reciprocal of this, which is 1 over a. So what we do now is we substitute this in this. So we now say that the integral f of ax plus b dx is equal to the integral of f of u, since we now have the function as u, f of u dx du. So this is equal to the integral f of u dx du is the reciprocal of this. So it's going to give us 1 over a, okay, du. This dot means multiplication. So this, we shift this out. This is equal to 1 over a integral f of u du. So this is how we resolve integration of this form. Okay? So quickly, let's do some examples. Example A, or if we have the integral of 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 5 dx, and B, integral of 3 all over 4x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 dx. So solution A. Now to solve A, we follow the same method we used to resolve this. We say let me write that down. Integral of 2x plus 3 power 5 dx. So this is the question. So we now say let u be equal to this inside. That is 2x plus 3. So du dx, that is, we differentiate u in respect to x, we are going to get 2. This becomes 0. X vanishes. So dx du is equal to what? 1 over 2. So we substitute that here. But remember, this is now a function of u. So integral 2x plus 3 power 5 dx is now equal to integral u power 5, the whole of this is u, power 5 dx du. So this will give us integral u power 5 dx du is 1 over 2. So this is 1 over 2 du. So we are shifting 1 over 2 out to give us 1 over 2 integral u power 5 du. So it's now a function of u. So we integrate with respect to u. So this is going to give us half into u power 5 plus 1 all over 5 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to half 5 plus 1. So this is u raised to the power of 6 all over 6 plus c. So if we shift this, or if we multiply out, we are going to be getting 2 times 6, which is u power 6 over 12 plus c. But we know that u is what? 2x plus 3. So this is equal to 2x plus 3, all raised to the power of 6 over 12 plus c. So this is the answer. So for question number 2, we have solution 2. We have an integral 3 over 4x minus 1 power 3 dx. So we say let u be equal to what? 4x minus 1. So du dx equals what? 4. So the x du is equal to what? 1 over 4. So integral 3 over 4x minus 1 power 3 dx is equal to integral of 3 over u power 3 dx du. So this is equal to integral, or we take out 3. So 3 goes out. We have integral of 1 over u power 3. Dx du is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 du. So this is equal to, we still take out 1 over 4. Coming out, it becomes 3 over 4 integral 1 over u cubed du. This is equal to, we can also shift this again or use indices here. This is 3 over 4 integral u power minus 3 du. Indices. So this becomes 3 over 4 into, if we are integrating this, we'll have u power 3 plus 1 all over minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So this should give us 3 over 4. This is u power minus 2 over minus 2 plus c. So if we expand this bracket, this is going to give us 3, or we take this one out, just bring it out this way, to multiply 4. So we are having 3 over what? 8 minus 3 over 8 into u power minus 2 plus c. But remember what u is. U is 4x minus 1. So this is going to be equal to minus 3 over 8 into 4x minus 1 minus 2 plus c. This is the answer, but we can take it further by making this over 1, that is to return to normal here. So if we are doing that, this is going to give us minus 3 over 8 1 over 4x minus 1 bracket power 2 plus c, and this is our answer. Okay, hope it was easy to understand. You'll be seeing more of these videos, so I want you to subscribe in order not to miss any of our video. And there is a therapy section already in the channel, just check it out. And there are more therapy sections coming. Do well not to miss out on them. In the therapy section, we actually teach you how to understand math, and believe me, it's exciting. Take care. Bye.